Welcome to Brainy Kidz, where learning is fun. Lion, the king of the jungle. It has a loud roar and a big golden mane. Lion. Tiger, a strong striped cat that loves to swim and hunt in the jungle. Tiger. Elephant, the biggest land animal with a long trunk and flappy ears. Elephant. Giraffe, the tallest animal with a super long neck and cute spots. Giraffe. Zebra, a black and white striped horse that loves to run in herds. Zebra. Rhinoceros, a big, tough animal with a strong horn on its nose. Rhinoceros. Hippopotamus, a giant animal that loves to splash and stay cool in water. Hippopotamus. Leopard, a fast and sneaky cat with beautiful golden spots. Leopard. Caracal, a wild cat with long pointy ear tufts and amazing jumps. Caracal. Bear, a big cuddly animal that loves honey and naps all winter. Bear. Panda, a gentle black and white bear that munches on bamboo all day. Panda. Gorilla, a strong ape that beats its chest and lives in the forest. Gorilla. Chimpanzee, a playful, smart monkey that loves to swing from trees. Chimpanzee. Orangutan, a red-haired ape that builds cozy nests high in trees. Orangutan. Bison, a giant wild cow with shaggy fur and strong horns. Bison. Buffalo, a strong animal that loves to roll in mud and live in herds. Buffalo. Deer, a graceful forest animal with tall antlers and gentle eyes. Deer. Moose, the biggest deer with huge antlers and a funny long nose. Moose. Camel, the desert traveler with humps that store fat for long journeys. Camel. Kangaroo, the hopping animal with a pouch to carry its baby. Kangaroo. Fox, a clever animal with a bushy tail and bright, curious eyes. Fox. Wolf, a howling hunter that lives and hunts with its pack. Wolf. Hyena, a funny, laughing animal that's brave and strong in groups. Hyena. Jackal, a smart, sneaky animal that loves to explore the wild at night. Jackal. Wild dog, a playful pack animal that loves teamwork and adventure. Wild dog. Lynx, a wild cat with short tails and cute tufty ears. Lynx. Cougar, also called a mountain lion. It's strong and loves to climb high rocks. Cougar. Jaguar, a spotted jungle cat that swims and hunts silently. Jaguar. Snow leopard, a beautiful cat with fluffy fur that lives in cold mountains. Snow leopard. Ocelot, a small spotted jungle cat with shiny golden eyes. Ocelot. Bobcat, a short-tailed wild cat that loves forests and snow. Bobcat. Antelope, a fast, graceful runner with long horns and gentle eyes. Antelope. Gazelle, a speedy animal that jumps high and runs like the wind. Gazelle. Elk, a large deer with huge antlers and a loud bugling call. Elk. Reindeer, the magical deer that can pull Santa's sleigh. Reindeer. Wild boar, a tough pig with tusks that digs for food in the forest. Wild boar. Sloth, the slowest animal that loves hanging upside down on trees. Sloth. Meerkat, a cute tiny guard that stands tall to watch for danger. Meerkat. Porcupine, a prickly animal covered with sharp quills for protection. Porcupine. Hedgehog, a tiny round ball of spikes that curls up when scared. Hedgehog. Raccoon, a clever night explorer with a mask-like face and busy hands. Raccoon. Skunk, a black and white animal that sprays a stinky smell to stay safe. Skunk. Otter, a playful swimmer that loves to slide and hold hands in water. Otter. Badger, a strong digger that makes cozy tunnels underground. Badger. Beaver, a busy builder that makes dams and lodges with sticks. Beaver. Armadillo, a tiny armored animal that rolls into a ball when scared. Armadillo. Possum, a furry climber that can hang upside down by its tail. Possum. Prairie dog, a cute burrower that barks to warn its friends. Prairie dog. Squirrel, a speedy jumper that collects nuts for winter. Squirrel. Chipmunk, a tiny cheeky animal that stuffs food in its puffy cheeks. Chipmunk. Rabbit, a fast hopper with long ears and soft fur. Rabbit. Mole, a blind digger that lives under the ground and loves worms. Mole. Wombat, a chunky digger from Australia that makes square poop. Wombat. Koala, a sleepy bear that munches eucalyptus leaves all day. Koala. Lemur, a jumpy animal with a striped tail from the island of Madagascar. Lemur. Tapir, a funny-looking animal with a short, bendy nose. Tapir. Okapi, a shy forest animal that looks like a mix of zebra and giraffe. Okapi. Aardvark, a long-nosed digger that loves to eat ants and termites. Aardvark. Civet, a night explorer with spots and a love for sweet fruit. Civet. Mongoose, a brave little animal that can fight snakes and win. Mongoose. Eagle, a powerful bird with sharp eyes that can spot food from the sky. Eagle. Vulture, a big bird that cleans up the wild by eating leftovers. Vulture. Falcon, a super fast flyer that dives through the air like a rocket. Falcon. Hawk, a strong bird that soars high and hunts with sharp claws. Hawk. Owl, a wise bird that sees in the dark and hoots at night. Owl. Peacock, a colorful bird that spreads its shiny feathers like a rainbow fan. Peacock. Ostrich, the biggest bird that runs super fast but can't fly. Ostrich. Emu, a tall flightless bird from Australia that loves to run. Emu. Flamingo, a pink bird that stands on one leg and loves to eat tiny shrimp. Flamingo. Pelican, a big bird with a stretchy beak that scoops up fish. Pelican. Parrot, a bright bird that can talk and copy funny sounds. Parrot. Macaw, a colorful parrot with long feathers that loves to squawk. Macaw. Toucan, a tropical bird with a giant rainbow beak. Toucan. Hornbill, a funny bird with a curved beak and a loud call. Hornbill. Crow, a smart black bird that can remember faces and solve puzzles. Crow. Pigeon, a gentle bird that always finds its way home. Pigeon. Swan, a graceful white bird that glides smoothly on the water. Swan. Crane, a tall bird that dances beautifully in the wetlands. Crane. Stork, a long-legged bird that builds big nests on rooftops. Stork. Heron, a quiet, patient bird that waits still to catch fish. Heron. Crocodile, a big reptile with a long tail and strong jaws that loves the water. Crocodile. Alligator, a toothy reptile that smiles wide and basks in the sun. Alligator. Komodo dragon, the biggest lizard in the world with a powerful bite. Komodo dragon. Lizard, a scaly animal that runs fast and can grow its tail back. Lizard. Iguana, a green lizard that loves the sun and can swim really well. Iguana. Chameleon, a color-changing lizard that hides by blending in. Chameleon. Gecko, a sticky-footed lizard that can climb walls and ceilings. Gecko. Tortoise, a slow, gentle reptile that carries its hard shell home everywhere. Tortoise. Newt, a tiny amphibian that lives in both water and on land. Newt. Python, a giant snake that squeezes its prey with a gentle but strong hug. Python. Anaconda, one of the biggest snakes in the world that swims through rivers. Anaconda. Cobra, a snake that spreads its hood and stands tall to stay safe. Cobra. Viper, a snake with sharp fangs and a zigzag pattern on its skin. Viper. Rattlesnake, a desert snake that shakes its tail to make a rattling sound. Rattlesnake. Frog, a jumping, croaking animal that loves ponds and rain. Frog. Toad, a bumpy-skinned hopper that lives on land and says ribbit. Toad. Salamander, a slippery, colorful amphibian with a long tail. Salamander. Monitor lizard, a giant lizard that explores jungles and rivers for food. Monitor lizard. Gharial, a crocodile with a long, thin snout that eats fish. Gharial. Skink, a shiny little lizard with smooth scales and short legs. Skink.
For more educational videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.